Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, I say thank you. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please do me a favor to subscribe to this channel, like and share my videos. This video is just simply a very good recipe for those looking out to lose weight, and for those who are very active and have been asking about high protein recipes after workout. This one is just perfect for you. This smoothie is going to be a very good smoothie for after workout. I highly recommend because it's highly packed with protein and essential minerals that you need for your body to revitalize after your workout. So basically it's just the ingredients are on the screen: watermelon, some fresh mangoes, cranberry and pistachio, cinnamon powder, and chia seeds. So I will be chopping all of that and assemble everything, put in my blender and blend together with soy milk. Soy milk is also very rich in proteins and a lot of essential minerals that we need for our body to revitalize after our workout. And I think you should try this recipe after your workout. No added sugar, no extra whey, protein whey and all of those with extra sugar and all of that when we don't even know the content of what we are taking. But these are natural ingredients that you can actually prepare from your home with few ingredients that you have basically at your disposal to make this high protein, packed with fiber, packed with nutrients that you actually know what you're taking into your body. You know what I mean? So now guys, assemble everything into your blender with almond. I forgot to mention almond as well. With almond and every other ingredients I have already listed on the screen, or check my description box. Assemble everything into the blender and blend, and voila, this is your highly packed protein recipe or smoothie, you call it, after workout. And in this video is just about essentially what I ate on this particular day for after workout. On this day I had to work in the evening, so I went to the gym and worked out before going to work. So that was actually my after workout and breakfast on that day. And then the leftover cheese recipe, the cheese wraps that I did the other day, so I packaged that for lunch. And then with some watermelon and some mangoes that I actually did for snacks. And that was actually what I ate in my special day. And now everything is ready, and I'll just be packaging that into two as well for 2 times meals. You can see it is a lot of quantity, and this blender is 700 milliliters. So I'll be splitting that into 2 equal parts, which means I'll be taking at least 350 meals in each meal time. let me put it like that, in each meal time. So I'll be taking it 2 days, and I actually blended with that vacuum on my blender, so the next day is still gonna be still intact with all the fibers and the content, and the content together, still looking very good and fresh. And that's the idea of having the vacuum, to take away all the oxidative capacity of any ingredients in it. So I'll just be preparing that, cook that together, make sure that it is airtight, and then refrigerate. But on this special day, I actually took one to work. So that was it. So now this is just basically what I ate on this day. My first what I ate in a day video. And you can see my after workout, and then my lunch, and then the snacks, which are the fruits, the watermelon and the mangoes. So that was it. Very simple, high protein, but fat burning ingredients. I can say when you eat these things, you feel it in your body. You don't feel too full. That's the difference between eating high protein and eating high carbs. When you eat high carbs, you get full very fast and you get satisfied very fast, but it doesn't last long. But when you eat high protein food, it takes you for a very longer time and you feel fuller for a very longer time, which cuts down your appetite to at least a very minimal level, which is very good, So this is all that I ate for this special day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share my videos, and of course, comment and share your thoughts. Thank you. Bye-bye.